You may have noticed that your website is not converting as many visitors into customers like it should. There's a reason why. Everything has completely changed the way people interact with websites. 3%. That's the number, 3%. The average website in America today will only convert 3% of all of the visitors into people who actually reach out to you and become a lead. That number is wrong. It shouldn't be that way. The number one way to be able to take more visitors and be able to convert them into more customers is by using two processes. One, video marketing. Two, web scoring, measuring. And it's a process that we've developed in our agency that we use every single day. We get tens of thousands of views on videos within 30 days. We take those views and we actually measure and monitor and find out which ones are the hottest leads, and we're able to double and triple conversion rates. Very, very simple process, very powerful. And this is what you need to be using in your business today, because people are consuming more video than ever right now. And this is the greatest opportunity to be able to develop a really strong, cohesive video marketing strategy for your business. I'm doing a free webinar. My name is Richard Cruz. I'm the owner and founder of WSI Priority Media, and I'm going to show you step by step behind the scenes how we use video marketing to be able to generate double and triple conversion rates on websites. So come on in, click below. It's a free webinar. There's nothing to buy. I'm looking forward to meeting you and seeing you on the other side.